Thank you for visiting our channel. Please like, share and subscribe for more exciting food videos. This video explores the story behind Khao Tom Mat, its ingredients, its traditional meaning, and why it remains a beloved part of Thai culture. If you walk through a Thai market in the early morning, you will almost always see neat green parcels stacked in little pyramids. Inside those banana leaf packages is Khao Tom Mat, a classic Thai snack of sticky rice and banana that tastes soft, creamy and gently sweet, with a light coconut scent. Khao Tom Mat is made from glutinous rice mixed with coconut milk, wrapped around ripe banana, then steamed in banana leaves. The result looks simple, but the flavor feels comforting and rich. People eat it as a snack, a quick breakfast, or as a treat during Buddhist festivals and temple fairs. You will often find it on offering tables, in monks' alms bowls and in family kitchens. It is everyday food with deep meaning, and once you taste it warm from the steamer, you understand why it matters. Khao Tom Mat basics, ingredients, taste and meaning. Before learning how to make Khao Tom Mat, it helps to know what goes into it, how it should taste, and why Thai people care about it so much. What goes inside traditional Khao Tom Mat? Traditional Khao Tom Mat uses only a few ingredients, but each one plays a clear role. The base is glutinous rice, sometimes called sticky rice, which gives the chewy, clingy texture that holds everything together. Coconut milk is mixed into the rice with sugar and a pinch of salt. The coconut adds richness, the sugar brings sweetness, and the salt keeps the flavor balanced so it does not taste flat. For the filling, cooks use ripe but firm bananas, often the Namwa variety in Thailand. The banana softens as it steams and turns almost creamy inside the rice. Some versions add a few cooked black beans for a bit of color and extra bite. Banana leaves wrap everything and add a light herbal aroma as the parcels steam. How Khao Tom Mat tastes and feels when you eat it. A good piece of Khao Tom Mat feels soft but slightly springy when you press it. When you bite into it, the sticky rice is tender and a little chewy, with a smooth coconut taste that coats your tongue. The center is sweet banana, almost like warm banana pudding held in a rice blanket. The smell of the banana leaf is gentle, a little grassy, and it makes the whole snack feel fresh and clean. The sweetness level is closer to a mild muffin than a frosted cake, so it does not feel heavy or sugary. You can eat it warm, straight from the steamer, or at room temperature. Cultural meaning, why Khao Tom Mat matters in Thailand. Khao Tom Mat is more than a snack in Thailand. It often appears during Buddhist festivals, especially when people bring food to temples to make merit. Families prepare large batches, then share them with neighbors and give them to monks as a kind offering. That ends the first part of the video. Stay tuned for part 2. Thank you for watching. Please remember to like, share and subscribe.